we're going to a ski lift to the top of a mountain, which is about an hour away. And after that, we are then going to go see, I think, a castle. And it may have something to do with World War One or two. I forget what he said. It'll be a short day. I think people have needed a bit of a short day, a bit of a break, a bit of a welfare check. Because the last few days have been pretty long. Such a big head. Can you say like, comment and subscribe? Another glorious day. We are, but I don't care. I don't know what town we're in, but people around here are bloody lunatics. I'm not mad at you, mate. I'm just fed up with today.
Yeah, it's the right postcode, but it must be this whole region.
I'm just fed up with everywhere being bloody busy. So how far away is that?
Half an hour.
Half an hour. Oh, okay. Right, so we think we've gone past this 20 minutes back that way, I think. So I'm following the guys. I'm so done with people today. Not these guys, but just the public. It's so busy everywhere. This was supposed to be an easy day. Over there. Cat found the parking.
MVP?
MVP, well done.
MVP.
It's been a while, but we get there in the end. What have you just done?
Nothing. I've done nothing.
Did you lean your arm on the exhaust?
Do you know what's worse is that I was doing that. I headbutted the handle. I never said I was proud of myself.
Never ends. It never ends. Not one trip can we do anything. We're finally here at a ski lift. Where are we going?
Okay. Well,
Up there apparently.
hello. Oh shit. I don't need any more injuries today. I'm glad you did that, because I was going to do it.
Such a nutty man.
When I was eating that and looking at that view, I was like, I don't just like this. This is too much niceness. I mean,
Right, we're going to try and get higher. made it. No, I'm good. One day I'll be fitter and I'll climb the mountains and get the proper good drone shots. I got up there first, but they really wanted me to edit it to make it look like they got there first. And you know, just to keep everyone happy, I did. I'm like, this crazy motherfucker. There's a path for a reason, mate. You're gonna break an ankle. Fucking show-offs. Some of them are really flappy.
None of them are tied down.
None of them are tied down?
None of them are tied down. No.
Brilliant. Honestly, he makes out like he's the fittest person here, but he's the last one down. No, you weren't. You were the last one down, mate. All he hates when you question his physical attributes. Don't question my stamina.
No, I was.
Yeah, that's right, mate. No one will believe you.
Lazy.
Well done, Nath.
Cheers, mate.
Considering it was a last minute detour excursion, worked out pretty well. And it's not over yet because you want to go and see your castle.
Still got a castle.
Still got your castle.
I feel like this was actually the better shout in the scheme of things. I think if we were nearer Lake Garda, then
yeah, of course.
But I think here the views were silly.
Yeah.
It was great.
I'm super happy.
Super happy.
Super happy.
Still worked out really well. And what else have we learnt today?
The exhausts are hot.
Exhaust hot. Every day's a learning day. Every day's a learning day.
I didn't do it on purpose.
No, you never do, dear.
It's Michael's fault for parking so close.
Right, get your jacket on. Come on, honestly. She can go on forever.
It's never about me, is it? It's all about you.
What's the channel name?
Can't remember.
Fuck you. I don't think they want people coming down here on motorbikes.
Castello. Shut up.
Where on earth have you brought us? I came here to ride motorbikes, Nate. You've got to be climbing all these bloody stairs.
Some dudes don't seem to like bikes, though.
You know what I mean? It's a visitor's book.
Yeah.
Smashed it. Nathan, I can't believe you just broke that. What did you do? What did you do? Nathan's going to make up stories about me in this castle and you shouldn't believe him. Hey Nathan, can you hand me this towel? Can you hand me this towel? Please, I'm really hot. Can you hand me that towel, please? It can fit vertically.
It's like a metaphor for being in your presence, mate.
What? Pow!
Just the slightest tug and smash.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm allowed to. It says just mind your head. You crossed the red tape. I didn't think you'd crossed the red tape. There you go, one castle. You happy?
I'm happy, yeah.
Good. Yeah. Get down those stairs now. Nathan will be furious.
You couldn't even watch it. God.
We built this Harley. We built this Harley for gravel road. Okay, so it's about 6 o'clock. We've left the castle. change if we don't. You've been here for 3 minutes. You guys are shit.
Well, we did do a 50 through the 50 zones, to be fair.
What's back in, mate?
We did 50 through the 50 zones.
Yourself.
You act relaxed, but you've been tryharding, mate, I'll tell you.
I haven't got my floorboards down once. I was going slow because I was blind from the sun.
Yeah. Every now and then I can hear you cut in and I can hear both of you going,
The guys went ahead to get a head start, and they only been here 3 minutes earlier than we did. We weren't even trying.
So misleading.
I'll get in the car next time. Actually, I'm not allowed anymore.
So misleading.
Need extra room for me, big bull.
Only can you do a 50 and a 30, mate.
And we weren't going. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, going all through the towns.
I think their feelings have been hurt a little bit because they was only 3 minutes faster than us. Oh, we weren't doing 50 and 30s. Oh, oh. It's alright, Nath. It's okay. You'll be faster tomorrow. God. Butt hurt much? Jesus, just get a Harley, mate. It's alright. If you get a Harley, alright, you get lesbians coming in on your motorbike, and you've only arrived 3 minutes late. They've made my day. Right, so that's the end of the day. We have got here. We now need to try and find somewhere that will deliver us food. If we don't see you later, thanks for watching. Think about subscribing, and we'll catch you next time. Don't forget, shave your balls, not your face. Cheers. Welcome back. We're not done yet because the Harley is here to save the day. No one will deliver to us, so the Harley with its top box has to go and get dinner. Even after everyone's so upset that I was only 3 minutes behind them on the way back. So the Harley, once again, saves the day. Me and Chewy are on our way into town to pick up some food. There's Chewy, he's ready to go because I can't remember the way into town. Nathan thinks we were bombing it on the way back and he's a bit butthurt that we was only 3 minutes behind him. It's quite funny, really. And now he wants me to go and get him dinner. Everyone shits on Harleys until they're hungry. Hey Nathan, if you're watching this is basically what I was doing the whole time on my way home. Just like having a good time, taking it nice and easy, nice and slow. And I was still only 3 minutes behind you. And you admitted to me earlier that you was actually trying. There's the town. Well done, Chewy. Right, that is 4 pizzas. There's 4 pizzas packed up in the trusty Harley Davidson touring pack. that no other bike today could handle, and I won't let them ever forget it. They all realise this has been the biggest mistake they have ever made. Now to ride back up, God knows how these pictures are going to end up in the when we get there, in the dark and all those hairpins, but let's see. Right, you're still on, you won't be able to hear me, but let's see if they're still hot. Yeah, they're pretty hot. Shave your balls, not your face. We'll see you tomorrow.